Something they do when framing that I really love is they don't put in the header. You do your rough framing, then we're going to set in the window, and then we're going to put the header of that framing just right on top of it. Whereas in wood, we typically frame out the entire thing and then plop it in. Since this wall is identical to that end wall, we're just now rinsing and repeating and doing it the same structure on the other side. You do you first. Okay. Goes quick once you understand what to do. Somebody's wrong bet. Don't hit amp. It's definitely not a red iron building. I wouldn't be able to do that with red iron. You want me to go up slightly more? Hey, so going back to the layout step, we did not only the chalk lines, but then also writing in pencil. This is going to be the window rough opening coming this way. Then we also have the door rough opening marked over here. Now that we're throwing material up, it's very easy for us to know, okay, hard side needs to be on hard side of the C channel, needs to be facing the rough opening so that later we have something to attach to, and it needs to be on this side of the chalk line. So that's why, again, during the layout stage, you're saving yourself. The more you prep, the more time you're saving yourself whenever you now are in the process of throwing material at things. We're getting ready to move the doors into place, and I just think this is so awesome. Coming from a carpentry background where you have to make all your own door jambs, this is a fully pre-assembled door. It comes to where we're literally going to be able to stand it up and anchor bolt it to the concrete, and it's all steel. Look, it even has insulation already. Now, know that you can go to your big box store and buy whatever door you want and then make your own jam, but this is an amazing option that I chose to opt in for, and then you just throw it into place. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to need a few hands because they're heavy. May I use a few hands?
Right. My fingers are covered.
Don't step in it. How long are these ones?
They're about, what is that, 3 inches?
Okay. Watch your breath. Come back and tighten.
Right slow.
I could. It could be my chariot.
Oh God.
Oh God. Hey, I laid down the beat of caulking and I got all the tools set.
Yes.
Oh crap.